So let me discuss in this class the next chapter, that is utility classes. Now in this utility classes, we have many number of different classes are available. But as per the syllabus, we are going to talking about the few classes like string tokenizer, scanner, random, bit set classes. So these are four are called as the classes which are available in util package. Now we are going to follow in the same book, the Java complete reference, as well as we are following from other resources. Let me discuss the first topic of this class, string tokenizer. So the name itself talking about token. Token means what? A small piece is called as a token. So if you are making as a piece, what type of piece it is? It is a string type of that. So string token means we are taking the piece of a string, that each string part is going to be available. Each string part is going to be talking about each piece. Here each piece is called as a string over here. Now string tokenizer in Java, let's say for example, in the example it shows hello gigs, how are you? It is a string tokenizer. Entire sentence is a string. Now we are dividing into that into a token. So hello is one token, gigs is one token, how is one token, r is one token, u is one token. So dividing a string into number of pieces, that each piece is called as a token. So dividing a string into tokens is called as string tokenizer. Let me have discussed in detail about this one. Now this string utility package, that is a utility package consisting of this class, string tokenizer class. So what will do the string tokenizer? It will allows you to break a string into tokens. Okay. So we have in this topic, we have the stuff like constructors, string tokenizer constructors, string tokenizer methods, and we'll see some examples over here. Now let us talk about whenever, please remember this point, whenever you are going to be calling a class or creating a class, definitely we had to create an object for that class. No doubt about that one, right? So what is a class? And what is an object link for that one is creation of an instance. That is, an instance of a class is what? Object. So without object, we can't access a class. We can't access a class data members. We can't access a class methods. We can't access anything from a class without the object. If you want to access that, we had to use anonymous objects, right? Now, to create an object, definitely we require constructors. When a class is there, definitely an object is there. When a class objects are there, their relationship can be developed with the help of constructors only. If a class is there, definitely a constructor is there. With the help of these two concepts only, we can create an object. Without a class, without a constructor, we can't create an object. We can create an object with the help of anonymous object, we can do it. Now constructor, if there is a class, definitely there will be a constructor. No doubt about for that. Now we have a string tokenizer is a class. Now we have a constructors, like we have three constructors in this string tokenizer. What it differs is, it differs the parameters. So it is a one parameter constructor. The second one is two parameter constructor. The third one is three parameter constructor. So these are the three different constructors are available. The first constructor talks about str. Now it can pass the input as the parameter for this string tokenizer constructor as a string. The second constructor is talking about, the first parameter is a string. The second parameter is a delimiter. Delimiter means what? How I need to be divide the tokens. When a string consisting of a space, or with the help of a comma, or with the help of a slash t, with the help of a slash n, what is the delimiter after I need to divide as a token? Because if you are not specify the delimiter, by default, it will take as a space. If you are making a delimiter for that one, after in the string, in a given string, say for example, my name is Bashir. In this example, whenever a comma is appear, it has to divide up to that comma. It will take each token up to that comma. Once that comma has encountered, it will divide as a one token. If you are mentioning the delimiter as a space, my space name space is space Bashir, means the spaces each space whenever it is encountered, it will divide up to that a token. Okay. The third parameter, the third constructor is talking about, first parameter is a string, second parameter is a delimiter, third is a boolean. It's a return true value. What actually it indicates? Create string tokenizer with specified string, first parameter, delimiter and return value. If return value is true, delimiter character or consider as a token. Whatever you are going to mention in the delimiter, that also will be considered as a token when you are mentioning the third parameter as a true value. If you mention as a false, delimiter character serves to separate the tokens. So when you are using slash t as a delimiter, say for example, if you mention the third parameter as a true, that slash t will be also considered as a token when you mention as a third parameter true. When you mention a delimiter as a slash t and you are mentioning the third parameter as a false, now whenever a slash t it will encounter, it will make that up to that is a token. It will never consider the slash t as a token. When you put the true value, the delimiter which you are mentioning, maybe slash t, slash n, space, comma, that also be considered as a token. If you mention the third parameter as a false value, then it will be making serve as a normal separation of a token. Okay, so these are the three constructors we are having in the string tokenizer class. So one parameter, two parameter, three parameters. Now coming to the methods in the string tokenizers, we have many methods out there. Let me discuss a few methods in the string tokenizer. Let me have a methods like hash token, has more tokens. This is the first method, has more tokens. Has more tokens indicates means whenever you are checking for a condition, up to how much I need to be get the tokens, up to how much I need to be get the tokens from a given string. So we had to check whether any other tokens are there. Once the given string is there, it is divided into tokens. Now, when you want to read that tokens one after the other, up to how much I need to be read the tokens, up to how many number of token, how many number of things I need to be get back from the string, it will tell by has more tokens. Up to the end of the string, up to the end of the tokens, it has to be rated. So it checks if there are any more tokens are available or not. If it is available, it will be taken care. But based on the condition, you are going to using this method. Next token, it returns the next token from the string tokenizer object. Means if there is having 10 tokens, for example, if you are calling next token method, it will pick the next token. That's all. Next token with the one parameter. Here there is a next method is there. One more method is available here. That is with one parameter. That parameter is a delimiter. Now it returns the next token based on the delimiter. Say for example, in this delimiter, next token, if you mention comma, whenever in the string, if it is encounter the comma, up to that it will be taken as a token. It will consider that next token. If you are mentioning space, up to the space it is encounter, it will take as a consider as a next token up to that one. So that is the purpose of next token. We'll see the example. Has more elements. Here also same as the next more tokens. Next element, it is same as the next token, but only it is taken as a string and it is considered as a elements. And to count the number of tokens, how many in the like we are calculating the length of the string, right? By help of the length method. Here also we have a count tokens method, which can be returns the total number of tokens over here. So these are the few methods are available in the string tokenizer method, that is has more tokens. To check whether any more tokens are available, we are using has more token method. Next token, it returns the next token which is available in the string tokenizer object. Next token of with delimiter means as one parameter up to the delimiter which is you are mentioning, it will be considered as a next token. Has more elements as same as has more tokens. Next element as same as the next token, but here you consider as a strings in the next token. Here you are considering as a elements, normal elements. Next, it is a count tokens. Count tokens is nothing but to count the number of tokens available in that. So with the help of these three constructors, the help of these methods, let me discuss two examples so that you can understand very clearly about the string tokenizer. Now, to access the string tokenizer class, definitely we had to import a package that is java.util.StringTokenizer, because we are calling about taking the class of one of the class string tokenizer, which is available in util package. So string tokenizer is a nothing but class. Util is a package name. Okay, so Java already are aware. This is an interpreter. Now I'm creating a simple class and I'm calling a main method. Now here I am creating with the help of this is two parameter constructor. This is a two parameter. This is first parameter is a string here. The first parameter is called as string str. Okay, the second parameter indicates space. Now two parameter constructor is there, right, in the second constructor. So based on in this given string, whenever a space has there, I am using the delimiter here as a space. Whenever the space is there, up to that divide consider as a each token. So mine there is a space, one token. Name is another, because space is encounter is the second token. Is after that there is a space is a third token. Bashir is the fourth token. So totally 4 tokens has it is divided. So string tokenizer has divided the entire string based on the delimiter I have mentioned. What is the delimiter I have mentioned? Space. Based on that delimiter, it is divide this entire string. What is the entire string? My name is Bashir. For that, it is dividing based on the delimiter into tokens. So how it is divided? My name is, like this, it is divided into tokens for entire string. So this is entirely. So this entirely, who is mapping for this one? It is matching by the string tokenizer object, where st, the name of this one is st. This is pointing by this. So st string tokenizer object has pointing for all that 4 tokens. Now I want to be display that tokens. To display that one, we have to check whether, first of all, the tokens are available or not in the string tokenizer object. What is the string tokenizer object here? st, right? Now st dot has more tokens. So has more tokens is the method of string tokenizer. So to access the methods of string tokenizer class, how we are going to do? We have created a object for string tokenizer class. With the help of that object name dot the method name, we are checking. So st dot has more tokens is a method. So it will check whether tokens are available or there in st token string tokenizer object or not. Yes, there is a 4 tokens are available. The condition is true. Now once it is condition true, it goes to st dot next token. St dot next token means what? It will be extract the next token. What is the next token? Mine. That is the first one. Now again, while loop will goes repeat. Again it check as more tokens are available. Yes, 3 more tokens are available. Condition is true. st dot next token. What is the next token? It will extract name. Again the while loop goes, has more tokens. Yes, 2 more tokens are available. Condition is true. It next st dot next token is will be there. Next while loop has more tokens. Yes, 1 more token is available. Condition is true. st dot token. Bashir is be next token. Like next, when we call the while loop, st dot has more tokens. The tokens are completed. There is no more tokens available. The condition is false. It come out of the loop, come out of the program. So the output it is going to displaying as, what is the output of this program? My name is Bashir. Like this, it will be display each token over there. So with the help of has more tokens to check whether the tokens are available or not. If it is available, extract that tokens. Read that token. How to read, how to take the tokens is with the help of next token method. So in this example, we have seen how to import a string tokenizer class, how to create a string tokenizer class with 2 parameters. We have seen a method. What is the purpose of has more tokens? How it is useful? We have seen the next token method as well. Next, see the next example of string tokenizer, the next token with 1 parameter. Sorry, 1 parameter means there is a next token with 1 parameter. Next token with 1 parameter is what? Next token. We have 2 methods, right, for next token. One is with the empty, another is with the string tokenizer. Now here, next token we have considered in this example. We have considered is a, in the first example, next token with a 0 parameter. Next token is with a 1 delimiter. Okay. Right. So let me have discuss this before going to talking about the next tokenizer. Let me have run this program so that we can understand what actually this program indicates. Now here the program here is the program. Already the program is taken into that. So this is a program. Just I will open it. So this is a program. Okay. So I'm taking a class called as simple test and importing a package java.util.StringTokenizer. Now simple st, simple string tokenizer. Now I'm taking as a string tokenizer. My name is Bashir over here, and I'm taking as a space as a delimiter. Space as delimiter for this one. So as I said you, how it is going to be taking has more tokens and next token. Now let me run this program so that you can understood very clearly. Now I'm going to the address bar and going to the command prompt. Java C space. What is the name of the program? Simple st.java. Now if there is no errors, now run the program. Java space simple st dot. This is my name is Bashir, because we have considered in this example, we have considered here in this example we have considered space as the delimiter. Now what we can do is here we can mention comma as a delimiter. But when you are considering comma as a delimiter, let me run the program. I'm just compiling and running. So you have mentioned comma as a delimiter. There is no comma in the string. In the given string, there is no comma at all. So because of that, there is going to be having not a single token will be available. Only a single token is available. There is the entire string is a single token because you have mentioned comma here, but there is no comma. Now what I can do, I just put as a my comma name comma like this. I put it. Let me check. My comma name comma is Bashir. Like this I have taken. Now I have taken the delimiter as comma now. Now I'll just compile the program. Run the program. See here. My is one token, name is one token, is Bashir is another token. Because after my there is a comma. After name there is a comma. And the rest of the string entirely is a one token. So totally 3 tokens are available. So whatever the delimiter you are mentioning, make sure that delimiter should be available in the string. If there is no delimiter, whatever you are mentioning, it will be treat entire string as a single token. Okay, hope you get the answer. Now let me see the another example with a next token with a single parameter, that is string delimiter we are considering. Now string delimiter, already we have seen the method here with string delimiter. Now what we'll do is here I'm creating a class called as test and importing the util package. If you are confusion that which class I need to import, just remember util package java.util.star instead of the specific package name. You please mention star. Okay. Now once it is there, I created a class and I'm calling a main method and I'm taking a single parameter constructor, one parameter constructor, that is string tokenizer, that is only string. So in this string, what I'm doing is my is a comma, name, comma, is, comma, kkb. This is the string I'm going to giving, and each word is going to be separated with comma here. Now I'm calling the next token. So next token having 2 methods, right? One is 0 parameter, another is 1 parameter. Now I'm taking 1 parameter of next token, that is one parameter is a delimiter. So what is the delimiter I'm mentioning here is comma. So once it is mentioning comma over here, it will be up to the comma it is encountered. It will take that as a 1 token. It will take the next token. What is the purpose of next token? It will take the next token in the string tokenizer object. What is the string tokenizer object here? st. So st dot in string tokenizer, that is already it has divided, right? It has divided into entire, as it is divided into entirely these tokens. It is divided into, clearly it is divided into tokens. Now it is has divided automatically. What we are going to considering is it is taking as a 1 token. Whenever a comma encounter, up to that it will be considered as a 1 token. st dot next token into that. So st dot next token will be considered whenever a comma has encounter. Okay. Right. So see the output of this one. The output of this program is mine, because it will take, what is the purpose of next token? Of a single parameter, that is a delimiter. Whenever a comma has encounter, up to that it will be considered as a 1 token. It will take the next token means what? Whenever up to the comma it is encounter, it will take that as a token. How many number of tokens will be taken care by the next token? Only 1. It is a next token, that's all. Next n number of tokens, it is not like that. In the previous program, we have said in the while loop. In the previous program, we have kept it, that's why in the while loop. And every time as more tokens will checks the loop whether any more tokens are there. If so, it is taking. If the condition is true, again next token is executing. How many number of times next token has executed? 4 times, because we have 4 tokens. My name is Bashir in this one. But in this one, we are not using any loops here. We are just single statement st dot next token of a delimiter comma. Whenever a comma has encounter, up to that it will consider as a token and display that token. That's all. That is the output is mine. Is it clear? Now we'll run the program so that we can get some more clarity over here. So here already I have the program here st dot next, that is a simple tokenizer next, and I am using here main method and a string tokenizer with a single parameter. Now what I am doing here is I'm just taking as C. It will I'm just running. I'm not having any commas here. Now I'll do one thing. I'll just run the program. First of all, whatever we have explained in the slide is kkb. Okay, this is a program. Now go to the command prompt, clear the screen, java c space st next dot java. Okay, no errors. Now run the program. Now see my. Okay, now I'm removing comma here. My name, I'm putting this one, comma at after the name. Just compile, run the program, my name. Because after my name, there is a comma as encounter. Up to that, we will consider as a token. Now, I'm just removing this also. Save the program. After is, I'm keep the comma. My name is. Okay, I am just removing this also. Now, let me see what will be considered this is. See, it will consider entire string. It will consider entire string. So if you are placing space here, if you are considering space as a delimiter, what is the output of this? That is my. Just compile, run my. Because what is the first space? Here itself. If you remove that space, save the program, compile, run my name. Okay, so like this, it is going to be considering as the string tokenizer divided into that. Okay, so that's why the tokens are going to be dividing considering based on the delimiter. If you're not mentioning the delimiter here, it maybe you can consider the next token we can consider as a delimiter to separate the tokens over there. If you're not doing in the ST, automatically the string tokenizer will divide the tokens as space. By default, it considered as a spaces as a each token. Whenever the space has encounter, it divides as a tokens. Okay, so there's a program how it will be goes to run it. So that's about the string tokenizer class. What we have discussed is we have discussed about the constructors, methods, and we have seen two different examples about the string tokenizer class. Okay.